So first of all, I would like to tell you good afternoon because this is a first meeting.
Hello, my name is Geeta. I live in
Okay,
Tura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri in Agra. And
okay,
I have two kids, one baby girl, one baby boy. And
okay,
I am done my study 12th class
okay,
after 9 years ago.
okay,
This time I'm a housewife only. And
okay.
I'm
Yeah.
doing YouTube channel.
Yes, I have YouTube channels, and I want to tell you about myself. My name is Rajni, and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am YouTuber and housewife. As far as my education is concerned, I have completed MCOM. So that's it about me.
Because some cough and cold
Okay,
fever.
I can understand. Yes, I think this times weather is changed, so I can understand.
Yeah, some little bit fever feeling.
Okay, 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 nice.
And
So, yeah, actually, firstly, I want to ask one question. Please let me know. Are you, because this times, are you housewife? Okay, even I am housewife. And please let me know why are you learning English? What purpose behind it?
yes, my learning English because this time English is very important for our every people. Uh,
Yes,
if you know English speaking very well, then you travel and other place you can't conversation with everyone.
yes, I think,
Can
yeah, you're right. Yes.
so and kids for kids very important English learning speaking
Okay.
English is any school and any places, but English is very important for everyone, kid member, pupil, young member, everything.
Yes. Yes, actually, when
That's
you
why.
have a good knowledge, if you have any good knowledge about speaking English, so that time you can, you can get better job in your future, and for your living. So I think English is very important right now, and every person are try to learn English. And yeah, this time because my I don't have any specific reason that I am learning English, but I because I'm very passionate person about this language. Because I was I wanted to learn as a childhood when I went to the college, so that time I started learning English, but so that time I couldn't learn English because of some reason. This time I had a good opportunity as a mobile phone, and then I decided I should have the practice as a English because I'm very passionate. So that's why I'm learning English. Yeah.
I also at
Okay, okay,
and
nice. That's
what type region, what type content you upload your on YouTube channel?
Yes, because when I started my journey on YouTube, so that time I created as a solo video. I made a solo video. I given the suggest how to improve our communication skill without partner, without environment. Especially I think that person are facing this problem. I think which don't have any environment. Okay, so I think that person are facing a lot problem, are facing this problem. So then I decided I should tell to other person, because you can learn English without partner, without environment. Because when I started, so that time I didn't have anyone with whom I have practiced more much. So yeah, so that's why I gave the suggest how to learn English without partner and without environment. But this times I am taking some session. So after taking session, I upload the video, that video. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, it's good for any people, many people, because agar after watching this type video, people have confidence, very confidence,
Yes, I
and
think because I have experience, and I am feeling, I felt something like this. Because when I started, so that time I couldn't speak, I couldn't speak, I think, but I can speak that much as a little bit, but I can't express my feelings, my message to other person. So since when I am having taken the I think session with the help of video call, so I feel something like this, I am getting improved.
yes. After 15 days, after ago, I uploading video, my YouTube sentence related content. But this
Okay.
time, I think I upload conversation video because these are very good for and many people and
Yes.
beginners.
Yes,
Beginners,
exactly. Yes, because you can learn English very well. Both are. as well you are you make the video for your YouTube channels. I think you are doing the both thing. Yeah.
And do you have any question?
Yeah, please let me know. Yeah, I have a question. Please let me know. Actually, when I start speaking, with other person, so that times our mind goes blank. So please let me know how to remove this situation while speaking English.
If you know, uh, while speaking, my our all pupils are mind blank. Yani
Yes,
any word, any sentence, all things blank. So that's
yes,
why if you think only you are alone. If you think you are alone, speak.
yes.
Not think your front you others member sit. You think you sit alone. Then speak. You are you think your front member is very small and you're little. Then you
Okay.
speak better.
Yeah, actually,
If you
according to me, yes, according to me, when you stuck while speaking English, so why does why I think why do you stuck while speaking English? Because I have lots of thing because of I get the stuck while speaking English. So that time our mind doesn't work properly. So that time our mind I think doesn't think about that thing who are preparing, who are speaking. I think which are speaking with other person. So that time I think because a little I think I want to tell you first thing I think lack of practice because of
yes, practice
we
is
can't
very
speak
important.
English. Yes, firstly we should have the more much practice, and when you have more much practice you can speak directly. So that times any words, any sentence automatically comes from our mouth. So I think practice is very important. And another thing, watching English watch. I think watching is very good part for speaking
Watching,
English as
listening,
far as I know. Yes, yeah, because you can learn lots of things while watching. And because when I started, so that times I learned only grammar portion, only grammar, but I couldn't speak, and I couldn't any
yeah,
watch related to speaking. But when it comes to speak with other person, so that time my mind goes blank. So that time I can't speak even single words.
grammar,
So yes.
grammar, make sentences in your mind, but not speak. Other
Yes, not yes, because that time I knew everything related to grammar. But when it came to speak, with other persons, so that time I couldn't speak because of lack of practice, as lack of practice and lack of watching. So I think watching are very important. When I think you can learn like a child, like a
if
child.
you
Yes,
listening English content very carefully, then you
yes,
speak
exactly.
better.
Yes, yes, you are right. And this times I am working on both things, my speaking and my watching. Because firstly, I will perfect on my speaking journey, speaking language and watching power, and then I will work on my reading and writing. I think there are four. I think four way for
Yes,
improving English is very
listening,
important.
listening,
So that you
watching,
can
and
handle
speak.
everything. Yes.
And I also agree. I also because listening practice is very important because you understand everything, then you speak better.
Yes,
If you not
exactly.
understand anything, any word, any sentence, then you can't speak English.
Yes.
So
And
English
another,
learning, watching is very important.
yes, and another thing I have engage yourself in English language.
Yes,
And because sometimes I don't want to talk other person. Sometimes I think that I don't have any environment, any person. So how to start speaking? And every person says something like this: you should speak, you should speak at more much. But I don't have any environment. But yeah, because so that time I thought like this. But no, if you have a good mobile, you can help to the I think yeah, from the mobile phone. So I think mobile phone is very good tool for improving English. And when I started using the mobile phone, and after After learning as a grammar portion, and then I started searching some application
No, this
related to
time
speak. Yes,
this time you if you want anything learning, so you can learning everything because you have a mobile. Then you did not you need not every teacher, yeah, any book, any tuition. You are not need because
no,
you have a mobile. Then
yes, you can.
you do
I think
all.
yes, I think you can do everything with the help of mobile. You can reading, you can writing, you can watching, you can speaking.
Yes,
I think mobile is very good tool for improving English as far as I know, because when I started, so that time I had only a mobile phone. No one, no environment, but only mobile phone. That because then I started learning English, but this time I can speak English well, but I am not that much, I am not up to the mark, but I am trying to be better.
but some people are not use our good thing because some children are watching game, playing
Yes,
game in the mobile, and sometimes watching a movie something wrong type. So it's
yes,
a usable person. मतलब जो इंसान uh, you can uh, you can use this mobile study, then it is good. And you
yes,
can use this mobile wrong type thing, then
yes,
you will wrong with you.
yes. Actually, everything has a two. I think two things,
Yes,
right and wrong. But you have, you
you did
have, yeah, you have. I think you have hand in those things. What you want to get.
good or wrong.
Yes, good or wrong. At I think I because when I get the free at my home, so that time I use only I watch English video, and I have lots of practice, because this times I have lots of need. I think to improve my communication skill, to have the more much practice. So then I have practice with different guys and different students. So and yeah, and sometimes I because I give I give that time to other person. This times I am I will take the session with you, and then I have practice. But when I get the free, so because then I don't have anything to I think relate to enhancing my speaking English. So that times I watch English video
This time mobile is very good for a lady
for
housewife because
especially, yeah,
because
yeah.
they are complete your aim, our aim and our dream,
Yes, yes, yes. I
studying
Yeah, you are
dream.
right. Yes.
So it's good for daily housewife.
Yes, yes, yes. Especially, housewife are learning the English.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
because
English is a global language. So there, if you know very well this English learning, so you can achieve approaching with people, many people, uh, any place.
yes.
You contact with any people anywhere.
Okay. So please let me know, what do you do, apart from this for your English?
This time I'm only listening a videos because
Okay.
watching video in this content and listening and conversation video like that this. So
Okay.
only this. Sometime I write my daily routine and what do any new thing text.
Okay,
Sometimes
nice.
I teach my kid with English
I think you have a good opportunity, like because you have a two children, so you can have the more much practice with your children.
because now this is very good way.
Yes.
If you learn English, then you teach that
Okay.
this is very good for our life.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, do you have any question related to speaking English?
No, I have not any question. But do you have any question? Then ask.
Yeah, actually, yeah, please, yeah, last question I have. Please let me know, because this time you are watching, you are speaking. So, according your perception, what is the important? listening part and speaking, for speaking English, for enhancing our
I
speaking. Yes,
I think listening and speaking
yes,
two way very good for learn English. Because if you not understand anything listening by listening, then you can't speak English. So speak if you not speak English, then you make sentences only your mind, not speak front other. So
yes.
to both are we important for
Okay.
learning English. I
Yes.
think time is done.
Over. Yes, I think,
Yes,
yeah, according to me, speaking power, speaking language is very easy part, because when you have a good command for speaking, you can speak very easily, you can deliver your message very easily to other person, in front of your other person. And I think
yes,
this times I am struggling on watching, sometimes I couldn't understand very well. So I think, yes, watching is very tough than speaking, according to me.
but according to me, both are points very important. Listening
Yeah,
and speaking.
important, because both are very important. I agree,
Sometimes,
but I compare between, well, speaking
yes,
and watching. So that's why I am saying that I think speaking is I think easy to express our feeling, our thought. But when I start, watching, so that time I couldn't understand very well, because of my, you can say, I think, lack of practice. So that's why.
so its time is done. And
Okay.
bye. Next, nice to meet you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.